Hello guys, everyone. Hello everyone. Again, in this video we will see for loops in Golang. So this is we other languages we have loop statements. So many loop statements we have. If you see in C++, we have for loop, do while loop. Those things we have. But here in Golang we have only for loop. We don't have while loops and do while loops, those things here. So but we can perform those behaviors with for loop only here. So as you know, in the for loop, basic statement is like traditional statement. We initialize, we give a condition, and we give the increment or decrement. Okay, so like this we can do. We can define k here also, no issue. That was absolutely fine, no issues. After this we can give a single condition also. This will act as a while loop here. Okay, until this condition is satisfying, it will keep on running. Since we have given the increment operator here, or we can directly give like this also. Okay, so now we have a range function. This is common if you know Python. We have in Python range function, or we use the in operator. This is almost similar to that. What it will do, it will go here. This operator is magical operator, you can say. This is doing all these things. Okay, so range means we are going to traverse this dictionary, or any iterable operator you can give here. It will go to traverse that iterable object, and it will take those two values. It will return two values, index and their value. Okay, so like this it works. If you this underscore, so here in Golang, one thing is important. If you don't use any variable and you declare, when while compiling, it will give you error, like you have created a variable and you are not using it anywhere. So for that case here, if you want only values from that dictionary or array. Okay, so in that case, if you don't write here, so it will give you error, like it is returning two values and you are receiving only one. So in that case you have to receive two values in two variables. Okay, so but if you don't want to use index, if you don't use index in further lines, so it will also give you error, like you have declared, you have created an index variable and you are not using it. So in that case, for that scenario, we use the underscore statement. So this is ignored by the compiler. So if you don't want to use some variable, but if the function is returning, so you can receive on this underscore, so it will not give you error. Okay, then we have range loop over string. Like this, for range hello, it will print hello. I didn't get much of this. What is it doing? For the for loop, iterate over each character of a string. Consider the following example. Let's play hello 5 minutes, 5 times. Okay, so here we can have some variables also, which will initialize with 0, and we can increment it every time. So we can HELLO or different separately also we can print. Otherwise it will give you 5 times the hello word. So that the conclusion is, like, this statement will run 5 times, because here in this string we have 5 characters. Okay. Then Golang infinite loop is something like while loop, or we do it is like it will run forever, because here no condition is there. That means it is always true, and since it is always running, so we have to somewhere write a like in in recursions we have some base conditions to stop that infinite calling. Okay, so here also same, we have this break statement to some condition will satisfy, then we have to stop this infinite loop, for loop. Okay, so that was all regarding for loops in Golang. Thank you very much. We'll see next topic in the next video.